In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the camera blocked issue on Google Meet with this complete 2025 guide. Let's dive right in and make sure your camera is up and running for all your important meetings. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Google Meet website. If you're not familiar with this, just type in the URL meet.google.com. Once there, you'll see the main homepage of Google Meet. The next step is to sign in. So go ahead and click on the Sign In button located on the top right corner of the screen. This will prompt you to enter your Google account details. If you already have a Google account, input your email address in the provided field. But if you don't, you'll need to create an account first. Once you've typed in your email, click Next, and then you'll be asked to type in your password. Remember to use a secure password, and if you're using a shared or public computer, make sure not to click Save Password. Now that you're signed in, it's time to initiate a test meeting to see if your camera works. You do this by pressing New Meeting, found on the main screen after logging in. This should bring up a drop-down where you need to select Start an Instant Meeting. By starting an instant meeting, you'll promptly enter a mock meeting environment to check if your camera works as intended. Once in the meeting environment, it's time to focus on the camera settings. Move your attention to the bottom of the screen and locate the camera icon. It should be part of a panel that contains various controls for your meeting. Click on this camera icon and it should bring up microphone and camera settings. When you open the settings menu, be sure to grant the necessary permissions for Google Meet to access your camera and microphone. There should be an option labeled Use Microphone and Camera. Click on it to activate these devices. In some cases, your web browser might block the camera access, so you should also double check your browser settings. In Chrome, for example, click on the padlock icon in the URL bar while you're on the Google Meet website. Make sure the permissions for the camera and microphone are set to allow. Remember, if you're still facing problems, resetting your browser settings or using a different browser can sometimes help resolve the issue. Keep these tips in mind and you should be able to troubleshoot and get your camera working smoothly on Google Meet. If all else fails, don't hesitate to reach out to your company's IT department for additional assistance. Happy meeting!